Temperature control is an important aspect of owning and operating a food business to ensure the food you produce is safe to eat. Safe to eat means the food you produce will not cause illness. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, there are over 5 million cases of foodborne illness in Australia each year, and this number continues to increase. Over 1 million of these cases result in hospitalisation. Food poisoning is caused when bacteria are allowed to multiply and reach levels harmful to humans. This can happen when certain food is stored outside of the required temperature. These foods include dairy, meats, cooked and raw food. To prevent bacterial growth, food must be stored at 5 degrees Celsius or below, or 60 degrees Celsius or above, according to Safe Food Australia. The law requires food businesses to have a temperature measuring device such as a thermometer. A thermometer must have a probe to measure internal temperatures of food and must be accurate to plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. Laser thermometers can be used in addition to a probe, however they are not required. Prior to using the thermometer, ensure the probe is cleaned and sanitised. Place the probe into the food you want to measure. Wait for the temperature to stabilise. This may take a few moments. Recording the temperature is a useful way to ensure that you are keeping within safe limits and can demonstrate that your food is being kept under temperature control. An easy way of taking your fridge temperature is by leaving a bottle of water with a hole in the lid in your fridge. Place the probe into the bottle of water to get an accurate representation of the internal temperature of food in your fridge. It's important not to rely on the temperature displayed on your cooling or heating equipment. This is because the temperature readings on your equipment can be different from the actual temperature of the food.
It's important that food businesses comply with the Queensland Food Act 2006 and the Australian and New Zealand food safety standards. Food businesses that do not comply may face serious penalties, which could include warnings, legal notices, fines and prosecutions. Council's environmental health officers assist food businesses in understanding their requirements and are able to provide advice and support. For further information, please visit Council's website or call Council's Customer Service Centre for further assistance.